Steve here with XLR8 Roofing. And your future starts today. Big paydays require big people, and that's why we're launching this big recruitment campaign. Salespeople, motivated individuals, all professionals, this is for you. If you're capped off, working long hours without the big checks, or just looking for the freedom to dream big, contact us now. Recognized in Central Florida for our competitive rates, customer service, and quality products, as a family business, we put big emphasis on the customer experience. And with you on board, bigger things can happen. We equip our team with the tools and give them a big advantage. The culture atmosphere is to help you grow. Our workflow is solid, with a complete CRM, follow-up systems, and constant communication with production keeps you locked in. The marketing is geared to provide you local referrals, with exclusive inbound leads from Google, YouTube, and Facebook. No third-party confusion. The goal is to be 5-mile famous, but the opportunities reach far and wide. Experience or no experience, integration is simple, and our strategy is designed to work with many sales approaches. Got you thinking, right? Big things are around the corner. Contact us today.